whenever we go walking here in Solana Beach, California, I admire the sweeping views of the water when we walk by, and I admire all the variety of flowers here, especially those that we do not see around home in Western Washington State, and I admire the trees here, and there is more of the sweeping views. This is just a sample on the numerous streets that we have walked on, and here is Chris waiting for me, and I am so I'm grateful to have the opportunity to get a chance to smell the roses, so to speak and admire the beauty all around us, especially those that are a novelty. Thank you.